Hello, YouTube. Let's talk about some stocks today.
All right. First stock I want to talk about is this stock has been on the climb, on the rise, and as more news comes up, there's a acquisition going on with this stock, and as soon as that is finalized, I expect this stock to the price to go on up. Now again, we won't know till the investors start buying into the stock, but it's been doing pretty good the past little bit. It's been on the rise the past month. So Puget Technologies, PUGE. Okay, so the past 52-week range, it was like 1,000th of a cent a share to almost 1 cent a share, just under 1 cent. I expect with news that this stock will take off. Look at this. This is this slow climb, and it keeps holding the higher highs. Here's a month out. There's a lot of excitement on social media about this stock right here. This stock is really, there's a lot of chatter. And let's talk about what's going on with this stock. So as you can see, it's definitely on the rise up. It had a slight drop down to a little less than a half of a cent, but it's been almost a cent at one point. So let's move on and talk about what they're into. PUGE Technologies updates its shareholders on its proposed acquisition of behavioral centers of South Florida. So they are in the process of acquiring another business, Behavior Centers of South Florida. So here's the story. They announced today that the negotiations of the acquisition of Behavioral Centers of South Florida are progressing in full force. We're currently ironing out the final details of the contract, and we are looking forward for becoming a part of the Puget. I may be just totally destroying that name, and I apologize, family. Said Yipsy Martin. I probably destroyed this name too. Managing partner and owner of Behavior Center, South Florida. Because of an unforeseen family medical emergency, our team has requested a brief extension for the final execution of the definitive agreement, and we are looking forward to proceeding with their joint plans. So, as this completes, when this is complete, I expect this stock to take off. It's very, like you saw from the chart. If we go back to the chart, it's done very well this past month. It's on the climb. It's holding its price. I expect it to continue to hold its price, and I expect it to increase in price. This is an interesting time for this stock. Here is the here's their homepage. So Puget Technologies, what are they? Let's look here. I guess I'll accept their cookies. Profile. Company profile. PUGE plans to operate as a holding company involved in acquisition of operating companies, incubation of companies that eventually want to attain independently public traded status, organization and operation of a business development company under the Investment Company Act, and information of specialty acquisition vehicles, SPACs. It's a SPACs. Given an experience by management with tax benefits of doing business in Puerto Rico, Puget also intends to explore opportunities for potential subsidiaries there. So, like I said, the The chart tells the story here. It's on the rise. The stock's on the rise. I expect it to climb more. They have a really nice website. So, Monday, June 7th. I guess that's done happen. We're done way past June. They've not yet updated that page. See what the news page has. Doohan's at the helm, has a new CEO. So they put Karen Fordham. That's another news release back at the end of August that they released. So, and if you look again, this is OTC Pink, so you don't have to worry about it getting halted or frozen by the SEC. Actually, that's just about upon us the end of this month. So, so they're pink current, even though they are listed as a shell. They are acquiring another company. Here's where they released their letter of intent to acquire Due Diligence Rehab Center Incorporated. All right. Based in D&D Rehab Center Incorporated, based in Hialeah, Florida. D&D, organized in February 2010, is a health care provider that provides applied behavior analysis in the home environment to children who have conditions on the autism spectrum, among others. Additionally, through occupational speech and physical therapists available at the centers, D&D provides a rehabilitative services to individuals disabled by disease or injury to help them attain their maximum functional capacity. So this is another acquisition that they're talking about. So upon news of these acquisitions to come into fruition, I do expect the stocks to the price of this stock to go on up. Probably, it's going to go into penny land pretty soon. I expect there's a lot of people's watching this stock, as you can tell by the way the stock is moving. It's been moving this past month, so I expect it to move some more. Again, any stocks that you invest in are a risk. I am not a stock advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a crusty old man in East Tennessee talking about some stocks. But this is a stock that I'm in. I have a small position in this stock. And Friday, it was up 33%. So it's on the move. This stock is on the move, and I expect it to continue to be on the move, but only time will tell. Like I said, you don't know until people are actually trading into stocks how the stock price is going to happen, what's going to happen with the stock. So that being said, let's move over on to another one, APYP. A wholly owned subsidiary of SleepX is an Australia research development company that has developed a unique product for monitoring and treating sleep apnea and snoring. Now, that is a real problem in our country. I know some people personally that have problems with sleep apnea. The technology is protected by several international patents, and the company plans to start serial production in 2022. The merged entity will focus on further development and commercialization of the products. Its strategy will include continued research and development, investment in new initiatives, in sales and marketing. Now, they are also pink current. They are also marked as a shell. So they had a spike back in July, 1st of July. They had a spike back in July. I made a video about this. I had a small position in this as well. So and it's back down. It was back down after the spike, but it was a little higher than what it had been before it went up back in March. So I expect after the news of this merger is complete on this one, I expect it to take off as well. It's going to have another spike at least. So right there's the news release. APYP continues process of merging SleepX into the company. The merger is expected to be completed by December 1st, 2021 in accordance with the model published on 8/2/2021. So, SleepX Clear let's look at that. SleepX. This is the product. This is the company that they're merging into. So this is information about the product. I invite you to go and do your own research on these two companies, as there's the information is out there for you to read up on it. Don't follow my trades. You should do your own research and convince yourself into making the trade yourself. You need to feel comfortable with the trade. Don't just get into the trade because I say it's a good trade, or anybody else on the internet, because you can definitely lose some money in the stock market, and it's very risky. Either one of these can be a risk, but like I said, APYP did spike back in July. It did not hold its price, which I was disappointed. I'm in the red. So I'm hoping for another spike, and I'm hoping after the merger that it will hold its price. But I am relieved that they are OTC pink. They are not going to be one of the stocks that are going to be froze at the end of this month by the SEC, because anybody that's not current, and they've been, I think the rule's going to be if they haven't filed any information in 2 years, I believe maybe the qualifications for the stock to be, I don't know if they're going to delete the stocks off the OTC market or how this is going to go down, but it's a real thing. It's coming. They put out news about this over a year ago, and just beware while you're trading. Look and see if the stocks are OTC current, because if they're not, you're taking a risk of getting stuck in the stock or losing your money if the SEC halts trading on the stocks. So keep that in mind. I've been talking about this in several videos here this past year. It's very important. I don't want to hear of anybody or see anybody lose any money. We need to pull together and make money as a group together. I want to see people win in the stock market. That's why you get in the stocks, is to build your nest egg for retirement. Just increase your life, quality of life over time. So, and do different avenues, like I'm doing dividends as well. So, mix it up, diversify your money, and that way if you do get stuck or you lose money in one stock, then it's not going to wipe you out. Don't go all in and throw everything you've got into one stock and then get your money tied up, stuck, and the stock's gone, your money's gone, or the stock tanks and it just goes from what you invested in it down to nothing. Be careful. Watch these stocks. Keep an eye on what your investments, what you're in. Keep an eye on what the companies are doing. Okay? If you don't watch it, you can get in too many stocks as well, and it's hard to keep track of everything. So, use your trade smart, trade scared, only invest money that you are willing to lose, that it won't hurt you to lose in the stock market, and just be cautious about what you do. Just use your head, think it through, look at all the facts about the stock, and you'll do well. So, but here's Sleep Clear link, Yahoo Finance. If you go out, pull both these up. I'll put the links out for these stocks as well out under the description. But anyhow, those are the stocks I've got for today. I expect I really look for APYP to spike again, another move. It'll be interesting if they will hold the price after this acquisition is done. PUGE has been performing well. This right now. This one's my favorite because it is holding its price, and I look for it to hold its price as well. It may pull back a little bit now. Don't get scared if it does, but if you get in early enough while the price is going up, and then stay green and hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4 years, if this stock starts doing really well, and they keep releasing new news. This could be, they could get on the NASDAQ. If they get up above $1, $5, they'll be listed on the NASDAQ, and I mean, then you'll be set, and possibly some of these stocks will give dividends. So, anyway, I'm in PUGE Industries as well. I really feel good about this stock. Like I said, it's been doing well, as you can see by the chart. I'm in it for the long haul. We're going to see what's going to happen. Hopefully it will do well. I really hope it does well. And I also hope you are doing well in the stock market. I wish you well. I hope you've had a good weekend. And I hope this next week will be a profitable week for you. But again, trade smart, trade scared. Do not invest anything that you cannot afford to lose. Keep it real. Keep your food on the table. Keep a roof over your head. Keep your lights on. Trading stocks can be addictive. Don't let it ruin your life, okay? Be cautious with it, okay? Be moderate in your trading. When I trade in, I'll buy in a small position of my stocks. And that way, if I lose it, I mean, $500 here, maybe $1,000 there. If I really believe in a company, I'll put $1,000 in it. Like this one that's been doing really well. I have $1,000 in this stock, but I was in it a month. I got in it a month ago. I was watching chatter and watching the rumors and on social media, and it looks like the rumors, they've released the news on the acquisitions. So the rumors are coming to fruition, and the price is climbing, and the price is still cheap. So this is still a good stock right now. If you can get in now before the price goes on up, I think it's a good time to do it. But and I'm not trying to pump the stock again. I encourage you to look at the news releases. Go out to Yahoo Finance, do a search on PUGE, and read for yourself about the stock company. Go out to OTC Markets, verify that it's OTC Pink. Go to the company website, look at it, check it out, and make your own decisions. It's just like APYP. Again, you can lose money in the stock market. I've lost money. I'm not trying to sell you anything. So this advice is free. I'm not trying to sell you any kind of course or any subscription to some kind of chat. If people's really making money in the stock market, why do they have to charge you to let you sit there and watch what they're trading in? Why do they have to charge you to be in a Discord group or something because that's how they're really making their money. They're not making their money trading. They're making their money off their Discord and off of their whatever the course they're trying to sell you. So I'm not trying to do that. I don't have any plans to do that. So I'm just trading on the stock market. I'm here to win, and hopefully we can all win together. And I wish you all the best of luck. Thanks for checking out my video, and hope I see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Hey, thanks for coming by. Glad you checked out the video. Hope you liked it. If you like it, please click on the like button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. May God bless you, and I hope you have a good day. Bye. Bella's got to be right up under me, don't you, Bella? Oh, my word. Cloudy day. Looks like it may rain. Clouds out over the valley. East Tennessee Valley. And Bella, she's just happy to be around.